Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, from now on, I'm not gonna be saying, what's up, Sloths in my videos. Sorry, I just joined a new clan, LMG clan. They're a great clan, actually. They welcomed me and everything. They have their own YouTube channel. Soon some content's gonna be up. But yeah, I just wanted to address that. And yeah, I finally now have a Twitch account. So if you wanna go follow me, it's LMG, Trixie. So yeah, if you guys want to go follow me or watch my stream or anything, just go do that. But I also want to do a review because guess what, guys? Finally, my Taiho keycaps came in. Yeah, so these are rubber keycaps. I already took them out, so it's upside down. But yeah, they're actually pretty fire. They feel great. But yeah, let's unbox them. So when you open them up. Wait, what the heck? Oh, there's a rubber cover. So they're really nice keycaps. They're actually from Taiho. But if you don't know what Taiho is, it's like a website where they sell keycaps and stuff. But so here's the keycaps. Here, I'll show you. They are rubber keycaps. Feel really nice. They feel like kind of different compared to my other ones on my other keyboard. They just feel more like brand new. But I think what I'm most excited about is this. Focus. If you can focus. Crap. It's not focusing. There you go. It says Taiho. It's like an exclusive little keycap, I guess. I can put it on my keyboard. But yeah, so what I was thinking about doing is putting these keycaps on my keycap set. Oh yeah, here's my desk. But yeah, I was thinking about putting those keycaps on my set, but I finally got a decent keycap puller. My other one that came with the keycap set, kind of dog crap. This one's like nice, I guess, nicer. It was what came with my other ones, except this one just feels brand new. But yeah, so these are PTB double shot keycaps. Oh, wait, no way. Backlit? They're backlit? No, wait, please tell me. I don't think they're shine through, which kind of sucks. But it doesn't really care. I don't really care because the rest of my keycaps are gonna be shine through. But, yeah, so those were the Taiho keycaps. Don't know how to leave the link in the description. Like, I don't even know where I got these from. I don't remember. I think I got these like a month ago or something. I have no clue. I don't remember them. I just realized that they just came in. I was like, wow. But yeah, so exclusive Taiho keycaps. I think if you can only get this off like Taiho.com or probably buy it off like eBay or something. But yeah, so the keycap set. Just came with some extra arrow keys I'm probably not gonna need. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do with those. Probably put them on my other keyboard. But yeah, like my other keycap set was similar to this. I'll go get them. Just forgot. I have no clue where they are actually. So, but yeah. So that. Sorry if I'm like quiet or something. My mom's just on a work call. Yeah, so those were my Taiho keycaps. Hope you guys enjoyed. Once I get my Ducky 1 2 Mini, which is tomorrow, I'll do a setup review or setup tour because I do have a desk now, so I can actually play good. And I switched up my room a bunch. So yeah, so those were my Taiho keycaps. Pretty freaking lit, I'd say. Great, actually great keycaps. I've heard lots of good stuff about them. But yeah, so that was, I think I could count that as one of my dream setups. I think I could. Yeah, I guess I will, but yeah. So this is dream setup number 3. I have no clue. But yeah, peace.